Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make carbonated spicy cherry with cocoa beans and chili tea, peach mango. First thing you gotta do is you put the spicy cherry with cocoa beans and chili tea bag into this mug, and then you add in the water, which is hot, into this bag, in this mug. And after that, you add in the sparkling water, which is peach mango, and then got a little more hot water to it, and there you go. Here is your carbonated spicy cherry with cocoa beans and chili tea peach mango. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching. Peace, cheers, and have a nice summer.